Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Tyler Tolbert from Smile Now Dental Group. Let's talk about something that's unfortunately way more common than it should be. You already got your dental work done, maybe it was implants, a full arch, veneers, and now you hate your smile. Maybe the teeth look fake, maybe they feel bulky or uncomfortable. Maybe you can't bite properly or you lisp when you talk, or maybe you just don't feel like you anymore. And now you're stuck wondering, what do I do? Is it fixable? Am I just being too picky? You're not, and you're not alone. Let's talk about how we help patients in this exact situation every single week. First, you are absolutely allowed to be disappointed. Let's get something clear. If you invested in your smile and it didn't turn out the way you expected, you have every right to feel frustrated, disappointed, and even a little bit defeated. You're not being difficult, you're not high maintenance, you're not imagining things. You were promised confidence, function, and aesthetics, and if you didn't get all three, you didn't get what you paid for just yet. We hear this all the time. They rushed the process. I never got to approve the design. They said it was temporary, but now they won't change it. They won't even return my calls. It's upsetting to hear this, and in many cases, it's completely avoidable. The problem with one-size-fits-all dentistry. A lot of large volume clinics, especially fly-in, fly-out style practices, they're built for speed, not customization. What that leads to is generic teeth that don't fit your face, designs that are chosen for you, not with you, a final prosthetic placed too early before healing or feedback, zero opportunity to request changes once you've signed off on everything. And once those zirconias are screwed in, guess what? You're stuck. Unless you pay again or find someone who's willing and able to fix it. That's where we come in. How Smile Now helps fix bad outcomes. At Smile Now, we specialize in redo work. Patients who had treatment somewhere else and just aren't happy. Here's what we do differently. We start with listening and without judgment. We take a full 3D scan to understand your implants and bone. We evaluate the prosthetic, the bite, the fit, and your concerns. And then we build a plan to get you a smile that actually feels like yours. That might mean a full remake of the prosthetic. It might mean adjustments to the shape, size, color, or alignment of the teeth. It may also mean replacing poorly placed implants if that's necessary. Or it could just be helping you feel heard and respected again. We don't start with assumptions, we start with you. But I don't want to offend my original doctor. This is something I hear a lot, and I get it, and I respect it. Dentistry can feel personal. You don't want to ruffle feathers or seem ungrateful. But here's the thing, this is your face. It's your health, your investment. If you're not happy, that matters more than anyone's ego, including mine. You don't owe it to your original provider to live with results that just don't feel right for you. You're the person that has to live with the work. It's not too late. Even if your implants are already in, even if your finals are already placed, even if it's been months or even years, it's not too late to get help. We've helped patients regain their bite, redesign their smile, fix speech issues, eliminate pain or bulkiness, and finally feel like themselves again. You don't have to settle just because someone else said the job was done. If you've had dental work done and it doesn't feel right, you don't have to stay stuck. Click the link in the description below to schedule your free second opinion consultation at Smile Now Dental Group. We'll look at your case, listen to your concerns, and walk you through your options. No pressure, no judgment. You deserve a smile that looks like you, feels like you, and gives you the confidence you were promised in the first place. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more honest conversations about dental implants, second chances, and doing it right the first time. See you in the next video.